Here we have a 2018 BMW 530e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with 20-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. You can even see the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. Taking a step back, you'll find the black sapphire metallic paintwork, along with the LED headlights at the front, the two blacked out grills, and coming around to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel, just there in excellent condition. We also have some M Sport badging just there. Taking a step back, you'll find the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the black trim around the windows, with privacy glass for the rear passengers. We also have the shark fin antennae just up top. We have some eDrive badging, as this vehicle is a hybrid. Here's a look at the third alloy wheel. And this vehicle does have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display and a reversing camera. We also have the dual exit exhaust just there with some 530e badging. And this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Taking a look at the last alloy wheel just here. And coming inside, you'll find a full leather interior with blue stitching. Just here, we have a foldable armrest in the centre, along with the fixed ISO points just down there. Over here we have the separate climate control for the rear passengers, along with a 12-volt connectivity. Onto the doors you'll find a brushed metal handle, electric windows, and the premium Harman Kardon sound system. In the front you'll find the same full leather interior. However, these front seats are electrically adjustable and they are heated. The driver's seat also has the memory function, which can be controlled just on the door. We have the electric windows with tri-lock for the rear and electric mirrors. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system just there. We have the auto lights. We also have a heated multifunctional steering wheel just there. We have paddle shifters on both sides. You can control the cruise control and speed limiter just there. If we put our foot on the brake and press the start button, as you can see the vehicle starts up. And we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Moving over into the main infotainment screen, you'll find the likes of sat-nav. We also have media, which has the likes of DAB radio, FM. We also have CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio, screen mirroring and USB. Over here we have the phone connectivity. If we go back onto the menu, you see all these different options that we've been through. So let's go onto My Vehicle. Vehicle settings, we can go into the interior lighting. This is where you'll find all the ambient lighting, where you can change the colours to whatever you think looks best. If we press this button just down here, you'll find that the intelligent safety comes on, making this vehicle a very safe car to drive. Also, if we put the car into reverse, there's the reversing cameras and parking sensors. Let's just put it back into park now. We also have different drive modes such as Eco. We have Comfort and we have Sport. This also changes the dials on the main dashboard, like so. Moving down from there, we have the climate control just here, along with the heated seats on both sides. Let's turn that off as it's a very warm day today. Further down, you'll find a little bit of storage space inside of here with a wireless charging and two good sized cup holders. We have a 12-volt connectivity just there and a USB port. Here is the gear stick. We have traction control buttons along with all the drive modes. Here are some shortcuts for the main infotainment screen. We have the electric handbrake and the auto hold button. Here is the parking sensors button. We have a leather armrest which can be opened up for additional storage. And inside of here you'll find a USB port and a 12-volt connectivity. However, that's everything I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals, free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW 530e M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you'd expect it to. As you can see, I'm not fat with steering up, so you keep it in a straight line, just going straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now this vehicle does come with over £12,000 worth of optional extras included. Now when driving and sitting in it, you can really tell that this car is very spec'd up. Now from my position right now, the optional extras you do get are the heads-up display and also the heated steering wheel. Heated steering, very nice for those cold winter mornings, matched with the heated front seat. Now you can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this car and still get out feeling fresh thanks to the very comfortable full leather seats. We have the extended thigh support arms, they are electrically adjustable, and the driver's seat is also a memory front seat. Now we have a multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode. You have your cruise control and speed limiter just on the left hand side as well. Now we do have the digital dash, so when you do change through your different drive modes, the look of the dashboard also changes. Nice addition to have. We have paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode, so I'm going to take over the paddle shift now. So we just dropped it down into third, up to fourth, into fifth, into sixth, and then I'm going to let go and let the car take back over. Now you can also push the gear stick to the left hand side and take over the manual controls like that. Push it back up to go into automatic mode. When it's fully up, pull down, you can also go into sports gear changing mode. So pushing to the side, it goes into sports gear changing mode, so red to red range a lot longer and sharpens up those gear changes. We have this satellite navigation screen in the centre, which is also touchscreen. You can find your Bluetooth media and Bluetooth audio connectivity, a DAB radio, a rear reversing camera with your front and rear parking sensors. Now we have your dual zone climate control with your ice cold aircon, perfect for those hot summer days. We also have integrated Harman Kardon speakers, which do sound absolutely incredible. Now if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for any wanted knocks or bangs. And if you're listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. So right now I'm coming up to the industrial state where I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform an emergency stop, pop it straight into reverse just to show that the brakes work exactly how you expect them to, and you'll see pop up on the centre screen the rear reversing camera. So going to pull in just now, and I'll do a countdown from 3 for the emergency stop. So pulling in now, and a countdown from 3, so 3, 2, 1. Park onto the brakes straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever, and you can see the camera just there as well. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during the walk around video and your video test drive, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team where they can answer any answered questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it from me in this walk around video and video test drive. Here to see from you soon. Cheers.